Just got this package from Lotus Kendamas. And if you know why this package is so big, it's because this is the Lotus sampler pack with 6 different shapes, 6 Kens. Yeah, I'm super excited to open this up, so let's unbox it. If it can even fit on my desk, that is. Barely fits. All right. Okay. Perfect. Ooh. What a pretty box. Oh, packing slip under the flap. Lotus sampler, 6 shapes. Wow. This is some really creative packaging. 6 Lotus shapes. The Element, Bloom, Mars, Mala, Standard, and MT. Lotus Kendamas. And it has all the logos of each shape too on the bottom. Very creative, super clean looking. It's like simple packaging, but it's like perfect how they put it on the box. And each part of this graphic of a Ken resembles a different shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different graphics on the Ken corresponds with one shape. Oh, there's tape here. Wow. It's displayed so nicely in this plastic. Each one fits perfectly. Ooh. So going in order, we got the Element, the Bloom, the Mars, the Mala, the Standard, and the MT. Wow. And to be clear, I've only tried, out of all these shapes, I've only tried the Element, I believe. Oh, and I tried the Bloom, but it was an earlier release. So this is the updated Bloom shape, I believe. So I'm excited for that as well, but super excited for all these shapes. I have multiple tamas that I need to pair with a Ken, so buying this sampler pack was perfect for me. And also shout out Drew, he made a little unboxing video that he sent me and that kind of convinced me, so yeah, thank you Drew. But yeah, let's start off with the Element. I have the Element, I only have one Element Ken actually, but it's nice to have another one, and this one is without the burn lines on the spike. Super clean looking, very sharp spike, like most of these are. Yeah, not much to say about this, but it's just a super solid all-around Ken. It flips really well, stalls well, lunars incredibly well. Super sharp stall points. Yeah, that is the Element. Got the Bloom, the updated Bloom. I love this little logo of a flower. Represents the Bloom very nicely. And I'm trying to tell the difference from the Element. It seems like the base cup protrudes more. Let's compare it. It's a little smaller, seems like. Pretty even sized base cup hole. Very nice. The Mars shape. I love this logo. can tell like the ring and base cup are a lot more curved. It slings pretty well. Very well. And all these Kens are unsanded CNC, so it adds that extra grip to it, which I really like. All these Kens are maple too, which is like the best kendama wood you can have for a Ken. Super durable. It's great for pretty much any trick. Alright, next up, got the mala. Has like a bullet tip spike. Oh, that's nice. And what I like about this Ken is that there is smaller base cup holes, 3, as you can see. So that helps a lot with finger lighthouses. And if you know me, I also love to do finger lighthouses, so this is a Ken that will be perfect for that, because your finger won't get into the hole since it's small enough. So it'll just bounce on your finger like that. I'm looking forward to this one. Next up, we got the standard shape, which is what Isaac helped design with the Gallaghers, Nick and Zach. I heard it's one of the best all-around Kens for just about any type of trick you can imagine. Or maybe not finger lighties, but just about anything else. I mean, it's still possible, it's just a little harder with the big base cup hole. But yeah, they created the shape to make it good for just about any type of trick. So this is one that will be perfect for like competitions and other events that just require or just have like a variety of tricks. I heard it's like an insanely good stilt kendama too, or stilt Ken. So maybe I'll get my first quint stilt flip on this, who knows. Yeah, the standard shape. And last off, I can fit this back in. Okay, there we go. The MT shape, or the Maharu, I believe. Pretty thick rims. Seems like a little slimmer of a ring and handle. Slings well. Not as big as a base cup hole compared to the standard. Compared to the, yeah, smaller than the Element 2. Maybe that just emphasizing more of slingers and Ken flips. Yeah, all these Kens are so nice. They're all super unique too. I got a bunch of kitchen tamas to pair this with, and some friction clear ones as well. That'll be perfect. Yeah, so that was the unboxing of the Lotus sampler. Oh, I probably should weigh them too, honestly. That would be helpful, just to get a sense of what they all weigh. The camera battery is dying, hopefully I'm able to film all this. The Element, 77.8. Bloom, 78.2. So far, pretty similar. The Mala, the Phantom Mars, 75.2. The Mala, 79.3, so off so far 70s. Standard shape, 87.7. It's the first one out of the 70 range. And the last one, Maharu, 89.7. These are all solid weights. Yeah, I'm excited for all these great Kens. Lotus has some of the best performing Kens in the market, so getting this 6-pack was kind of like, it was a pretty good decision, I think. based on other people's reviews that I've seen. And I'm just excited to pair all these Kens with Kendamas. Yeah, Lotus works really hard on their shapes, and I'm excited to try these Kens, or at least 5 of these Kens that I haven't tried before, except the Element. Yeah, really excited for the Standard and the Mala. So hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Let me know what you think of it, and if you picked a sampler up for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.